Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets, and today's video is my Grow with Grace binder day. Today I have $200 and prop money, and then some saving challenges that I am working on throughout the whole year. So let's get started. First is to save $2,026 in 2026. This is going towards my taxes for next year. So we got a blue. Where am I reaching for? So blue, don't remember which color pencil I was using. So we're going to put a little money in here today. Let's go with the 25. How are you guys doing with your saving and budgeting and stuff like that? 25. Are you guys getting kind of over the summer and ready for fall? Because I'm getting to that point. I just don't want to see winter. Let's go ahead and do this 21. Yeah, I want to go ahead and just enjoy fall. Skip winter and then go right to spring. It doesn't work like that in Ohio, but it just, great for wishing. So we got $46 is going into this one. Perfect. Next we got vacation. And this is created by Mint Dough, saved $1,200. So let's do, I don't know where is my highlighter I was using. So I guess I just use this one, even though it's gonna mess up the flow. So let's do, where is my calculator? So what is 16, 13? That's 29. So let's do that. 16, 13, and let's go ahead and do this 7. So that's $36. 10, 20, 30, 5, and 6. Perfect. $36 is going into this one because I'm gonna need this in I won't need this until October, but it'd be nice to get it done and start a new one, yeah, I know. All right, next we are going to do this. I finished this side. This is created by Snow Garden 307. So I'm doing this side with just a rolling save. And this is saving for my son's graduation from basic training. Let's go ahead and roll what should I roll? D8 or D10? Let's do the D10. We got 9. So let's go ahead and put 9 here. Let's do that again. Ooh, a 10. So that's 19. So that is, should we do it again? We just stopped there. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. Yeah, $19 going in here. Get in there. All right, month ahead. Month ahead is created by Champagne's Corner. And we are just gonna go down the line because I already finished most of these. So let's see what we got. We got 2. The house is 3, so that's 5, 7, and 9. So $16. 10, 15, 16. Perfect. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 more to do. Okay. We might come back to that. Next is emergency funds. Oh, that's my book. Where's it at? Here we go. This is created by budgeting introvert. Says 1,200 plus, and this is for emergency funds. So we are going to color in an ice cream here for $5, and this whole page equals 100. So let's do 2. Let's do all of them. We got $15 going into this page. Perfect. That's just gonna be that. I'm gonna do that. So that should be 100 for this page. So yay, we finished this page. We knocking this little emergency funds down. So we finished that page. We're gonna work it on this page. So let's go ahead and roll our color die. And we got a red. So I think this one is red, yes. So that is $5. Perfect. Let's go again. Another red. Let's do this one for $5. So let's put this 5 back and grab a 10. So that is $25 going to emergencies. Yeah. This says $162. And then we just keep on trucking, Just love this book. All right. Next is the most basic saving challenge book. Save 15K, and this is going to student loans. And we are working on, we finished, what, $300 already? Yeah, we finished $300. So we just keep chucking along. This is going to be in the rotation forever and beyond. So let's go ahead and roll a, I did all the 8s already? I did, so we can roll a D6 a couple times. And then we got a 5. What color am I looking for? Let's do yellow. Do a 5 here. I keep going back and forth of, do I want to go change my binders to some fresh? Put different things in there. Because, you know, my life is, well, it's changing a little bit. So it's like, what shall I do? Categories needs to change. It's more things more important now than it was beginning of the year. So yeah, I'm just going back and forth, you know. Have you guys switched up your like budget or savings or anything like that? I think sometimes you got to reflect and pivot to what is important now. Do you guys agree? You guys agree with me, sis? Look at this yellow here. All these 2s. Do this 2 here. Let's do 2. We can just keep going. 6. See, that's why I need some big money right there. 6. Ooh, I don't know which pink it was. Oh, I do not want to do. So we need to do another color. What color should I do? Should I do this nice purple? Yeah, let's go for it. Oh, it's dark. I wanted a light color. Oh, well. Let's do this 6. And we still got a lot of money over here. We might just put most of it into the vacation, probably. So let's do 6. So 5 and 6. So how much is that so far? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can keep going a couple more times. Another 2. Let's do another 2 here. Perfect. $2 more. Let's go again. Really, I don't even have $1. See? Another, I got a 4. Okay. So let's do a 4 here. That's perfect. All right, oops. So 4, and then put $1 back, get another 5. So that is 5, 10, 15, $21. Should I do, let's do another 5. I just want to do this 5 right there. So what color? The pink. Let's go with the pink. Perfect. All right. So let's see. 5, 10, 15, 25, 26. $26 going into the most basic saving challenge. All right. And this is available on Amazon. So let's go to the vacation. All right. And let's see, we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30, 31. We got $32. Okay. We good. Should I just do, what's 11 and 17, 28? $28. Let's go ahead and do that. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. All right, let's go ahead and do these 2. We is almost done with this. Let's see. I mean, I could put that 4 in here. But let me see if I can put it into the, say, $2,026. Let's see. Do any of these have a 4? So we got pink, we got blue. Oh, let's do purple. We haven't did purple in a while. Put those, ain't it $4? Yeah, $4. Put that in the right envelope, T. There you go. So let's do this 4 here. Perfect. So $4 going right there. Perfect. All right, gems. That is it. That is my Grow with Grace binder with $200. You see, that went really fast. So thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.